Brief weather almanac video for today, just to talk about the weather today, the big diurnal range temperature, as well as Hurricane Oscar. So right now, temperature 37 at West Hampton, 48 at Islip, 50 at Farmingdale, and 39 also at Miller Air Park. So going over our highs today, 70 degrees for a high on Long Island, low 70s in New Jersey. Actually, further inland, they even got into the mid-70s. There was sea breezes in the afternoon that cooled things off. Lows 33 at West Hampton, so 37 at Shirley, 41 at Islip, so it got pretty chilly in the morning, even colder. And Miller Air Park there, 30 degrees in the Pine Barrens, west of Toms River. Looking at our, where are you? There you are. High of 69, a low of 71. Ran 6 degrees above normal for the high, but 4 degrees below normal for the low. So only 1 degree above normal. So again, big diurnal range in temperature is the key right now, which is also helping to just dry things out that much more. Looking at our satellite, I mean, you can't even get a cloud in the sky at this point. Just a little bit of, maybe a little bit of haze from wildfire smoke. It's very slight. Fairly blue skies today, but I noticed a little bit of haze, especially later in the day and towards sunset. See a little bit. It's just a very slight haze there from smoke that's who knows where it's coming from. We even get some from New Jersey because there's still some small wildfires going there, and that's going to remain a risk. So let's lastly talk about the hurricane here, Hurricane Oscar. Also, you have Nadine, which is a depression. But let's see. Tiny Oscar passing south of the Turks and Caicos. Hurricane warning issued portion of the northern coast of Cuba. Its location, 21.3 north, 72.2 west, 70 miles west of Grand Turk Island, and about 365 miles east of Cormondsky, Cuba. Maximum sustained winds 85 miles an hour, moving west at 12 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure 987 millibars, 29.15 inches. And the extent is only 5 miles from the center. Tropical storm force winds extend out to 45 miles from the center. A very small storm. Let's just look at our warning cone here for a moment. You'll see this is the area it's going to affect, and it should not going to affect the mainland United States at all. But I do want to actually take a look at this storm here and just take a look at a tiny Oscar here. Tiny Hurricane Oscar. Look at that tiny little hurricane. It's like a miniature hurricane, but it is a hurricane nonetheless. So that is all I have for you tonight. We'll talk a lot more about Oscar and the week ahead, which remains dry. That'll all be tomorrow night. Have a good night.